the new tire. Here, we just removed the cover. So, ready to bring to the vulcanizing. It's front tire. Looks good. It's still brand new.
It matches the back.
Yeah. It's really a brand new, guys. Okay, guys. Good morning, guys. It's a Wednesday morning, everyone. So, we're ready to fix this one later on so that we can drive na again for a long drive. It's good. It's a Pre-Max, guys. It's a tubeless Pre-Max brand. That's the brand of our tire. Same brand, the one that we put at the back. So now they are both the same na. Okay, guys, back to you later. Hi, guys, and our electric bill is arrived today. Joker. Ta-da! How much?
I want to say
You have to guess.
8,000.
How much?
8,000 pesos. 4,000. 3,000. 6,000.
Higher.
6,000. 5,000.
Lower.
4,800.
Remember the last time how much we had the
I don't
last time?
remember. It was 3,800. Wasn't last time 3,900?
4 something the last time.
Was it
Only.
really?
4-5 the last
4 or
time.
5.
Ta-da! The reaction of my husband.
3,285. That's not bad.
Uh,
And that's with the air conditioner running
yeah.
at night
Because it's
and part of
really
the day.
night and day.
But the power keeps going off
Yeah,
for days.
that's-
So that's how I look
That's
at
the
it. It's like we
reaction
don't
of
even
my
get the full use of it.
husband. It's still good. We're still good on the bill.
$60 a month. Wait,
And
if it gets any higher, we got to give up something. So you'll have to give up cooking because I'm not giving up the air conditioning.
Yeah, it's still good.
Adjustment over and under lifeline. Oh my God.
And
I get the senior 79 peso discount. Oh my
it's
God.
good.
Yeah.
And aside from that, it's not only one aircon on that one. Maybe sometimes
Yeah.
ours also use it. So it's good. So we have 2 aircons, guys, with that one. So it's
And
good.
the peso gone up too. I think the third. What
Yeah.
we say 58.
Still good. Our bill, guys,
30,
just to be exact,
32,
3285.12.
12.
Our bill for this month with 2 air
It's
cons, 1 inverter,
63 cents.
inverter, refrigerator, the 2-door inverter refrigerator. So it's still good, but supposedly we assume it's more higher this month because it's a lot of emergency cutoff.
Yeah, but still, I mean, we've
Because
been running it
sometimes
a
they
lot.
do like
We run it every night, and then
Yeah.
we run it during the day from 12
yeah, day
to,
and night,
12
day
to
and
4,
night.
So yeah, so we run it a lot.
For the air cons, day and
That's
night.
still not
We
bad.
use day and night, guys.
$57
Because
a month, 57.63 in pesos. We pay with the Gcash to my bank account.
yeah,
It'll be cheaper. We can survive on that. Yeah, my God. But I'm still working on the solar. So we got the panels. I got to get that put together. I think the problem, if y'all know, is this. So I ordered this piece, and it's the controller for the solar panels. But if you read the directions, which they don't tell you on the thing, I got a 100 amp controller. Okay. But if you read the stuff, not the Chinese side, I can't read that side. It says no more than 1,000 volts can go through this.
Actually,
Not amps, it's volts. So
about our bill in electric, guys, actually we have smaller this month than compare the last month.
Yeah,
Because the last month we paid
38.
4,500. So now it's down to 3,2, so 3,3 actually 3,285, 3,3. So yun guys, we still good, thanks God.
But my thinking on this is, if I get I got the battery and I got this and I got the panels. That air conditioner is 754 watts. The TV, I don't know what that is, but that's on low it's 500 something watts, and then you got the inverter. I don't know what the inverter, but I'm thinking it can't be over 1,000. So if it's 1,000, this thing would run the air conditioning and the refrigerator, and we have the solar lights, so we're good. That's what I'm thinking. But this system I'm working on should run everything in this bedroom. We should have our TV, the internet, and the air conditioning. If we have thing, but oh yeah, here it is. It says maximum PV input power is 1,300 watts. So that's plenty, because that's only 7. So 1,300 watts maximum PV input power. It doesn't say max. It doesn't say what the voltage going out is though. But the maximum coming into this is 1,300 watts. But if you go to change it to a 24 volt, you can get 26. So I got to work on that, hooking this up to the battery and the 2 panels and see what I get. But my thinking is, if I can make it run the air conditioning, hey, that would cut the electric bill down, right? But we'll see. I got to work on it. She's scared I'm gonna blow up the house. She's scared of it. But we'll see. I didn't want to go with the expensive inverter. I mean, I got the inverter, which is higher, but yeah, it's a mathematical game on that solar system. One's parallel, one's in series. So one's different in series, and so it counts on how you hook them up. If you bring them all down to one line, that's the series, and if you do parallel, you're looping them, and that keeps the voltage the same, 12. But if you bring them the other way, it changes to 24. So, the well pump, which we run every other day to fill the tank, and it runs for maybe a half an hour, 45 minutes to fill that up. We have 2 TVs in here.
40 inches each.
14 inches each.
40 inches
No,
each.
40 inches each. We have the aircon in this room, and her brother has aircon in his room.
2 air
2 air conditioners. We have the inverter refrigerator.
2 doors.
2 doors. What else do we have? The
ceiling.
ceiling fan, but we also got that big fan.
Yeah.
And
Industrial.
I don't know what the wattage is on that one because it's in Chinese.
Industrial fan, that one.
It's industrial fan, so that's running. We got the ceiling fan running
every day.
So yeah.
The lights.
And then the other thing we just changed lately is the lights, because we bought some solar lights. So we don't have the light on the porch no more staying on all night. We got the solar light. And then we don't have the light in the backyard staying on all the time. We got a solar light for that. And then we usually kept the light on in the back dirty kitchen that goes to the bathroom. But we put a solar light out there because this just stays on all night. So far we changed all those to solar lights. But,
electric one.
Yeah, and I also have an electric fan in here too.
1, 2, 3.
So,
2 electric fan, 1 industrial fan, 1 ceiling fan.
And then you got you use the
small electric fan at the kitchen.
Oh no, but you use that, but you also use the air fryer.
Yeah,
times
the air
too.
fryer.
Yeah, you get the air fryer. I don't know how many days a week you use
rice
that.
cooker.
And the rice cooker. So yeah.
And the electric kettle as well.
And
every day.
Yeah, she
every
cooks,
morning.
Yeah, she has coffee, so that's electric kettle on that.
So we're still good on the
and
electric.
we're not even using the hot water heater.
No, not but
Because
not
we
now.
turn that off.
Yeah, because
and
it's
we're
still
just,
off.
Because the water
I
that's,
still hot.
yeah, the water's very warm coming out of it.
Yes, really. My God, we
Yeah.
have a free water heater coming
Yeah.
from the faucet.
Yeah.
That's coming from the
Because we
tank.
got a big concrete tank out there. So our system works different. I mean, like most Filipinos would know what I mean, but here we don't just have we don't have a pressure tank where it fills the pressure tank and shuts off, and then we have a storage tank. And it's a big concrete tank. You've seen the videos, a tower in the backyard. That thing fills up with water, and then you shut it. It's manual, so I have to fill the tank. When I see the water running out, we shut it off. But it's concrete all the way around, and concrete on the top with a lid on it, so that no debris and stuff gets in it. But with the sun hitting it, it gets it warm, so the water gets warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why every time that we take a shower, a bath, I really hate
She
that.
don't like it.
I don't
like
like
it.
the
It's fine with
water.
me.
I don't like the water coming from the faucet because it's really super warm.
It's not super warm. To her, it's super
warm.
warm.
It's
To me,
really-
it's lukewarm. It's very
That's why.
mild.
That's why I get I fill the bucket from the
She goes, yeah. She
From
goes
the-
and gets the water from
the-
the outside well,
outside well.
the
Yeah.
hand pump, and she fills those two. And she showers
Because-
with that. Why shower with the shower? Because
Yeah.
the water's too cold for me coming out of that ground.
Yeah, I really like that one.
Yeah.
Mostly,
And
most
this,
of the time.
in the summer, in the wintertime, I'll do the hot water heater.
Yeah.
But she doesn't like that because I mean I get it hot, and she's like, oh, you know, she doesn't like the hot water. But it's just
We're opposite, guys.
yeah. I like
But during summertime, that one. But because art, it's really, it's really not. It's not matter if summer or it's a winter or whatever. It's still the same. The water that he used to it on his bath are the same. Still warm or hot. Even the weather is already hot. He still want to use the hot water. So I don't really like it. Of course, if summer, you're really looking for the cold water to use for your shower. But him, no.
I know,
He
it
just
helps
prefer
with
the
my
warm.
muscles. It relaxes my muscles when it's hot.
Yeah. He's really
Stiff and sore.
choose whatever.
No, it's not
The-
choosy. It's just the way that's the way we're raised. That's how it was in the U.S. So
Yeah, and
our bodies adjust to it.
Yeah.
Just like you guys adjust to the colder water. We don't adjust. And just like you guys, you like ride on the motorcycle, the jacket that's thick, and I'm like, and you're always getting on me. I want something light. That's why you see me with the long sleeve, thin T-shirts, the motorcycle shirts, because I could not stand having a jacket wrapped around me. I'd overheat real quick, and she doesn't understand that. But I don't know how they don't overheat, because to me, putting that jacket on just like would overheat me quickly.
Okay, guys. So maybe after lunch, we go to
Yeah, maybe get our tire done.
yeah, the tire vulcanizing shop to put the new tire. Okay, guys, update you later. I gonna prepare my cooking.
Yeah.
We just bought a beef today, so I gonna cook nilaga. Nilaga so that we have
Nilaga,
soup.
oh, right. I like nilaga.
Nilaga beef nilaga. Guys, we're going to the vulcanizing shop now, and it's good thing it's not hot. It was rain, so I'm carrying now the tire. So update later, guys, after installing the Uno, stay here, huh? We're on our way to vulcanizing shop, carrying the
Finally got some rain.
tire. It's cooler. It's cooler. It's not so far. The vulcanizing shop is not so far. Nay.
The phone was in my way. You blocked.
You
Locked it.
still have a doubt naman. Ate! That's Ate Lily. Our bike is already next to that car. So we're waiting, guys. We're already here. Si Kagi Kabil.
Ha?
Si Kagi Kabil.
Sino?
Si Kag May Kabil.
Ay, wala.
Kiriris mo. Okay. Still waiting for my for our turn. Still waiting for our turn. It's a good weather right now. It's not hot because it was rain, guys. It was rain just a couple of minutes only. So after installation of our tire, maybe we schedule to have a ride again, maybe going to Claveria. So let's see, guys. We have this one at the rear tire at the back. This is also new, guys. It was replaced maybe 3 months ago. 3 to 3 months, I think, this one. So now we bought a new tire, same brand on that at the back, so that they will the same brand. So my husband over there. How so far, honey? How so far? That one, that is there also. Wait, okay. You move there. You move there, honey. Can you put it that one there or in front? Then move there to Kuya. Meron sila pa music dito, guys. Baka makopyright tayo. But it's an Ilocano song, so pa music sila dito, guys. Ang lakas. Copyright tayo nito. It's an Ilocano song, so I don't know. It has a copyright. How old is that one, honey? How old that tire? Since we bought 20.
Almost 4 years.
Yeah.
3.5 years.
Yeah. Okay. We are.
Almost got 20K.
Yeah.
They say that 40K tires with these bodies so rough, you're not going to get that.
But actually, the tire is still in a good shape. Yung sinundan namin. a lot of them. The other side is a repair also with I think that's a reaper. On the other side. That's how they do it, guys. It's good thing here, guys. They have a high-tech machine to do it. Pang soft drinks mo ka na. Hold on. Going home now. Thank you, Lord. Finally, the time that you bring, that time that you
Time I what?
about the old tire, you went there.
Huh?
You how much did you pay? 100 for fixing the old tire?
Yeah.
Did they say 102? Or you just gave 100?
I thought he said 100. It's like, I thought you said 3.
Because that
I thought
is
you said 200 to me when you were standing.
because this one is more harder to fix it than the old one. And they just only ask 70 pesos. See? It's cheap. If in US, how much the one? Even in Manila, you pay in Manila maybe 200 or 300. I thought it is 200, but it's not. Okay, still.
I don't know what they charge in a
We
motorcycle,
just
but
gave
in
a
a car
tip.
they're gonna charge
Kuya, because
$20.
hey guys, we already finished and we're already at home. And it's time for chicha. Time to relax and have a merienda. Snacks, guys. So time to chicha. Okay guys, end na namin yung vlog. That's for today. Yun lang namin yung ganap today guys. Nagpalit ng tire, nagpa-install ng tire, and that's it. We're good. So everything, the 2 tires, the bike was already completed
Well, the next thing we gotta do is
and
oil
replaced with a
change.
new one.
Whatever that's due.
So that's for today's vlog. End ko na yung vlog guys. Please like and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on the next one. Bye!